Yesterday, as I was embracing the blood moon and taking the time to embrace the universe and embrace my existence in this time, in this very, very short time that I have here to be alive, I was brought to a memory that I had when I was a child. On Martin Luther King Day, right around the time I was in 5th grade, I'm 21 years old now, I was playing Grand Theft Auto, and I had the day off from school. And I looked at my family, I looked at the people that were living within the house, and I thought of a joke, even as a little kid. And I said, guys, I'm supporting Martin Luther King Day. I'm playing GTA. I'm killing only black people. If anybody smirked or laughed when they heard that, or if anybody felt the pain that has come from generations from hearing something in that order, either way, I know both are relevant. The first one of people laughing when I would say something in that way. That is the reason why I am taking responsibility of what happened when I was little. Because I know that it is not my fault that I was raised and I grew up in a home that people would laugh if I were to say such a degrading thing. And I said it. And that memory came up to me, and I knew for my own karmic energy that I needed to change it, I needed to transfer it, and I needed to move it past from what it was. I needed to make it real. And so for me, I'm facing my karma, and that this is what this is. It is taking responsibility for not even the fact that I was born and I was given the life that I was have. And it's not my fault that I was born in this way and growing up to this family and this way of thinking, but it is my responsibility now to be aware of it and to change it, to notice the way that my family thinks, feels, and loves others around them. And I have to be the individual within my family to be a representation of it. When it comes to the degrading and it comes to the generational pain that has occurred, all I can do is give my awareness and give my love and give my intention to. And that's here what I'm here to argue, and that's what I'm here to say is Martin Luther King said chaos or community. And the way I understand that is either external or internal. And within his book, he covers many areas of things that we need to understand. Politics, black right movements, white liberals, whatever way that we want to understand the topic and try to get it. Martin Luther King did whatever he could to take you into this broad world, to bring you down into the importance of what it is to know yourself, to have a self-identity, to strengthen what that is. And it doesn't matter if you're Islam, Muslim, if you are Christian, it doesn't matter what it is. At the end of the day, the importance is of self, so that you have something to give to others. And that is the importance of Martin Luther King's message. If you want to be a part of the solution, you cannot be a part of the problem. And to be a part of the solution is to notice that the problems is all the thinking, is all the realities, is all the fucking brainwashing that we have experienced in our life that is not actual reality, that the only thing that is real is the moment that I have with you and the impression and the power that you are feeling. It is the only thing that is influential, and you must notice the way that you are being impacted in this moment now. Take this in with the greatest amount of love and pass it forward. Everything else around here is bullshit. If you want to be a part of community and not the chaos, take that time for yourself. That is the message of Martin Luther King from the way that I have heard it and the way that I have understood it through native culture, from interpreting America, but being deep and grounded in love. I've never given a video before, and this is my very first time, and this is given on Martin Luther King Day. I have much more to say, and this is just the start. One love.